Total on edge!
Almost total on edge.
Dun, 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 dun. Die! I like cheap shots, those are fun. Let's end this. Nice one. This looks so wrong.
They got knocked out. You know how to play, I don't.
Yeah, that's why you should start on easier level. Pathetic.
There aren't any cheats to this game, is there?
Nope.
Dang!
It's not. There's no cheats to any Dragon Ball Z game. Ever.
Ever.
See, there you go. Now it said.
Ever.
It said ever. Like you always say.
Don't say that on the camera. I'm gonna have to beat that out. We're gonna have to beat that out.
Okay.
Hey.
Dang, what's wrong with you? What? Gentlemen, next.
Hurry up and start loading.
Load.
Load.
Load. Let's load. It's tingles.
Huh?
Tingles.
Okay, let me punch you.
You punched him.
Now we're gonna have to bleep that out.
Shut up.
No, stop burping.
Like, who we can bleep stuff out?
Huh?
Like, who we can bleep stuff out?
You can.
I can't.
You just don't know how.
Exactly.
It's just a camera. Everybody knows how to bleep stuff out. You know how to zoom in. You know how to turn it on. What's so hard about bleeping stuff out with a messed up mouse?
Ugh. Yeah, look at him smile with his fat, ugly lips. With his horn hair, which he doesn't ever use to headbutt.
How's he dead?
He's not, he's alive. That's why he said no. That's why his hair is still moving. If his hair is still moving, he's still alive.
Goku.
If he don't got no hair, so it's gonna die. I keep thinking Frieza's a girl. Frieza's a boy. No, yes. No, just Frieza in general looks like a